Namaskar, I am Dr. Ankit Parak and I am a specialist for respiratory, allergy and sleep problems for children, and I work at Children's Chest Clinic at New Delhi. So this is an educational video where we'll be talking about a common problem which is called as sleepwalking in children. Now, what is sleepwalking? So sleepwalking is basically described in medical terms as a parasomnia and also called as somnambulism. Now, what happens in sleepwalking is that once the child goes to sleep, after 1 to 2 hours, the child would suddenly wake up. The child would appear confused. He cannot be, woken up, and the child suddenly gets out of the bed and starts walking. There can be different types of behavior. The child can just walk to the parent's bedroom. The child might walk to the kitchen or bathroom. He might pass urine at some abnormal places. But there can be certain risky behavior like entering into the balcony, going down the staircase, and sometimes children can get hurt because of that. Now, during this sleepwalking, the child can usually not be aroused, so which means that you cannot wake up the child and the child does not know what's happening. These episodes are usually short lasting, usually for a few minutes. They can occur every night or they might occur occasionally. Usually this is seen in children somewhere between 3-4 years of age till like 9-10 years of age. Gradually children will improve, the number of episodes will improve, and most children around puberty will stop doing sleepwalking. Now, in general, what we understand over time is that it is usually not something which is going to harm the child, but it is definitely distressing for parents. Parents usually get a lot worried that my child gets a lot of sleepwalking and what should I do about it. Now, there are few tips which every parent should know. Do not try and wake up the child. Just help the child to go back to the bed and gradually go back into sleep. So that's the most important point. We have to take care that the child does not get hurt. So those arrangements have to be made, that if your child has a tendency to sleepwalk, make sure that the child does not hurt himself. The other thing which we have to understand is that children do not remember what's happening in the night. So the next day we are not going to discuss any of these things with our children. So these are the important things with children, which parents should do. Now, what you should not do not try and wake them up. Do not discuss things with them. And if these episodes are frequent, then try and consult your sleep specialist. They will help you out how to reduce the number of episodes. In occasional children, we use medicines as well, which can reduce the number of sleepwalking episodes. So for more information, you can log on to our website ankitparak.com. Thank you.